Imagine.
The world's first cross-device magnetic adapter.
With 18-karat gold plating and the world's strongest magnets.
X-Connect adapter. Connect to all your mobile devices using your own cable. Wait. My own cable? It works by connecting the tip to the phone, the adapter to your cable, and they magnetize instantly. Quickly and easily. Even in difficult situations. Share with your friends. Disconnect when you're in a rush. You don't have to worry about accidental damage. It works for fast charge and data transfer. Reversible, so you can connect first go every time. And make your cables last longer. One cable is all you need. 3 gold-plated adapters, Apple Lightning, micro USB, and USB-C. Fits all modern USB devices. X-Connect is designed by ASAP Technologies, who through the magic of crowdfunding have already shipped to more than 20,000 backers from all over the world. If it's a whole new cable you need, choose X-Connect cables for an even stronger and more stable connection. With the convenience of a reversible Type A, stay neater. Cables that are built to last. Help us to bring X-Connect adapter to life. Support us today and simplify your life.
The Apple world keeps getting bigger, and the list of must-have Apple gadgets keeps getting longer. The problem is, there's no easy way to store all the essentials that keep our devices powered and fully functional. Getting the right charger out of a stuffed backpack can be frustrating, and when it comes to headphones and cables, well, we all know they come out a tangled mess. Meet Bento Stack, the perfect companion to keep all your must-have Apple components neat and organized on the road and on your workspace. Inspired by the minimalistic design of the modern Japanese lunchbox, the Bento Stack is a multi-compartment container that has been smartly engineered to efficiently hold all your Apple charging cables, power bricks, headphones, and even the Apple Pencil. Let's take a look at how Bento Stack works. The bottom storage compartment is optimized to hold larger accessories like power bricks and wall chargers. Adjustable dividers can be inserted to keep each item stable in its own customizable space. A form-fitting lid keeps everything secure and also doubles as an Apple Watch band holder. Stacked on top is a second storage compartment which holds your smaller accessories such as earphones and various charging cables. Additional dividers again can be inserted to keep cords and wires in their own dedicated space to prevent tangling. The lid for this compartment serves as your dedicated Apple Pencil holder and doubles as a convenient desktop stand for your iPhone. All compartments stack seamlessly together, creating a minimal design aesthetic that has come to be expected by the Apple consumer. In addition to being stackable and adjustable, the Bento Stack is also modular. To travel ultralight, simply place what you need in just one of the compartments, select the lid of your choice, and create your own mini bento. So if you are an Apple enthusiast like we are and don't like the cheaply made mesh-lined cases on the market today, or prefer not to overspend on leather accessory bags or travel backpacks, we have the perfect solution for you. This is our first Indiegogo campaign, and we are looking for your help to bring Bento Stack to the world. We funded the tooling ourselves, and now just need your help to purchase the materials and pay for the first production run. So help keep your workspace neat and your travel organized. all with this one-of-a-kind, truly captivating case that is sure to strike up a conversation or two along the way. Thank you for your support.
This is the Glowstone Flashlight, an ultra-bright, super versatile, and insanely durable light that's smaller than a credit card. We've designed it to be the ultimate and most powerful flashlight to illuminate your life, whatever you're doing. Our patent-pending design makes it waterproof, shockproof, and heatproof. This guy can handle pretty much everything you throw at it. The Glowstone Flashlight is a super compact, wireless charging LED light that's just as bright, if not brighter, than expensive high-powered flashlights, but at a fraction of the price. And what good is a flashlight if it isn't bright enough to light up the darkness? Well, this little guy packs a punch when it comes to lighting up a room. Its 900 lumens shines as bright as a military-grade flashlight. Not only does it have a revolutionary power-to-size ratio, we've also built in different modes, including candlelight, strobe, charge level indication, and even an SOS mode for those emergency moments. This is the Swiss Army knife of flashlights. We've engineered the Glowstone Flashlight so it has an incredible 30-hour battery life. When it finally does run out of juice, just throw it on the wireless charging pad. No more hassle with expensive and environmentally unfriendly batteries. No matter how clumsy or adventurous you are, the flashlight is completely waterproof and works perfectly underwater up to 30 meters deep. We designed our light to be the perfect companion for an almost limitless number of tasks. Wherever you need to shine a light, Glowstone has you sorted thanks to its slim pebble design, robustness, and all the nifty attachments we've developed for it. We've made a nano suction pad that can easily stick and unstick to most flat surfaces. Whatever you're doing, Glowstone Flashlight is ready to light up your world. Whether you're a home DIYer needing a versatile tool to help you get the job done, a keen runner who doesn't want the nighttime darkness to hold them back. Attach the handle attachment for a traditional flashlight design to help you see the way, above or below the waves. Use it as an inspection lamp, then transform it into a handy tripod that can be easily placed and aimed. Perfect for working on those tight spaces or when you need both your hands free. Transform the handle again into a grappling hook that clamps to pipes and fixtures. Its clean, even light spread was inspired by the LED lighting panels used on professional photography and film shoots, so no unnatural halos or dark spots in your images. We've also designed standard GoPro attachments, so you can bring professional quality lighting to your filming and really capture the moment. Our attachments also mean the flashlight can be easily fixed onto your bikes or helmets. Say goodbye to the conventional and hello to the extraordinary by getting your own Glowstone Flashlight. Please support us on Kickstarter and help bring this product to life.
Everyone online has seen the classic split shot where it's above and below the surface of the water, whether it's half your friends swimming underwater in the pool and the other half of your friends jumping above the surface of the water. Those shots are pretty iconic, and this is the device that you use to get them. I'm Chris Rogers. I am a filmmaker and co-founder of GDOME, and today I'm really excited to present to you guys the GDOME Mobile, the first universal dome port for the smartphone. Back in 2014, when the concept of GDOME first came to us, there were a few other products, but the price point was just way too high. We wanted to create something just as good, just as robust, that could do the job, but at a way more affordable price point, and that's where the concept of GDOME came to life. Usually when shooting underwater with the GoPro or any camera for that matter, the field of view is decreased because the water magnifies your shot. With the dome, you're going to get your real field of view. Because it's universal, if your camera has two lenses, which is going to allow you to capture things like portrait mode, 3D photos, shooting over 1,000 frames per second with video, it is also compatible with third-party lens adaptions on your smartphones in the GDOME Mobile. We've used 6 easy-to-use thumb screws, which allows for you to easily insert or remove your phone. We have the back plate here and a foam insert which you can cut and customize to whatever phone you have, and we also have a Bluetooth remote You've created a nice handle and a good grip on this side to allow your video shots to be a lot more stable. For over the last year, we've been developing and testing this product, putting it through vigorous R&D processes. Each dome is individually pressure tested so that we can ensure that the best dome is coming to your hands and that it's going to work straight out the box. The GDOME family, we've shipped these products to all corners of the globe, as far as Iceland, Canada, Australia, Russia, South America, Argentina, Brazil, which has been really exciting. Coming from a small company out of South Africa, that's a pretty cool thing to see. It's safe to say that our content creators that use the GDOME have really showcased how amazing this product is and how easy it is to get that split shot or capture amazing underwater photos. Now with GDOME Mobile, we're really opening up the doors for anyone and everyone with a smartphone to be able to easily capture split shots or really amazing underwater photos or videos. I think the footage we're going to see come out of this product is going to be on a whole nother level, and we're potentially going to see things we've never seen before.
Meet Pete. Pete is an ordinary guy with a secret weapon. The iPin. The world's smallest laser pointer and wireless presenter for iPhone and Android. With iPin, Pete is the king of presentations at work, getting the point across, and wirelessly launching presentations from any iPad, Mac, and PC. With BT2Go, he can even run presentations on any public computer. No host program or setup required. No need to transfer presentation files. It will even work with firewalls. Just plug and play. A road warrior by day, a superhero by night. With his iPin, Pete helps the needy by guiding them to their salvation. Stopping pets from making a permanent impression. Fights crime, Breaking Bad style. And even saves the world. iPin doesn't divert laser-guided missiles, just like energy drinks don't make you grow wings. iPin, possibly the most powerful tool for your smartphone.
Hello supporters, I'm NXTΔGEN, president of Linear Flux. I'm usually behind the scenes with our research and development, sales and marketing teams to bring you the very best of industry products. I'd like to thank our past supporters of the Lithium Card, the Lithium Card Pro, and the HyperCharger Hub. We've listened closely to all of your feedback on our past products. Whether it's the connector type, battery capacity, form factor, and functionality, many of you ticked all the boxes and wanted more of pretty much everything. We have researched far and wide to solve your ever-growing charging needs and to address your concerns on the wider compatibility of our products. I'm proud to bring you here today and introduce to you our new Graphene Series 3-in-1, winner of its category at this year's 2018 Consumer Electronics Show. Here's Eileen to tell you more.
Introducing the HyperCharger Pro 3-in-1, an advanced portable power bank that incorporates all the prevailing mobile connectors on the market today. Whether you need an Apple Lightning connector, USB Type-C, or micro USB connector, we have you covered. You'll be able to charge anything. Another cool bonus is using its simultaneous charging feature. You can charge the HyperCharger Pro and your phone at the same time. Its two built-in cables mean you don't have to remember to bring separate charging cables ever again. It's the world's most powerful portable charger in its class. 25 watts of power and 8,000 milliamp hours of capacity. Combined with its auxiliary USB port, you'll be able to charge up to 3 devices at once, such as your smartphone, headphones, and even a drone. Using it is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Use the nanostick pad to neatly place the HyperCharger Pro to the back of your phone. Find the appropriate connector and connect it to your phone. Press the power button and start hypercharging. That's it! The HyperCharger Pro. It's like the Swiss Army knife of chargers. But wait, there's more. Introducing the HyperCharger X 3-in-1. For those of you with smartphones with wireless charging capability, the HyperCharger X eliminates the need for charging cables altogether. It's the world's thinnest wireless portable power bank, and it is about the same size as an iPhone X. It's ultra thin yet powerful. You can wirelessly charge with its 7.5 watts of power and 6,000 milliamp hours of capacity. Using it is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Stick the nano stick pad to your phone. Align the center of the HyperCharger X to your phone's designated wireless charging area. Press the power button and start hypercharging wirelessly. It's that easy. However, we understand you may have devices that still use charging cables. The HyperCharger X includes an additional 12-watt charging port to charge your other devices. As a perfect cherry on top, the HyperCharger X's simultaneous charging feature allows it to double as a wireless charging pad, whether at home, in your car, or whenever you have access to a high-power USB charger. You can charge both the HyperCharger X and your wireless phone all at once. Look, Mom, no hands. No cables. It's perfect.
Thanks, Eileen. We're excited to have finished the R&D and the beta testing phase